Hi, my name's Kevin. It's going to be my first video. This is a 96 N15 Pulsar sedan with GA Auto. I'm doing this up for my friend. I'm going to make a little bit of money out of it because I'll get to that one later, but that one's the engine's blown up. For his L-Plater car, I've got the battery on charge, mainly because I'm going to do a radio today. But it's not properly installed. I had to remove the glove box just to get behind this radio, because this is not how you install this. Joiners sort of know what they're doing, apart from that's cut. Oh, there's a patch harness here. Oh, fucking terrible. So the main problem with this one was I don't think it's earthed properly, because these cars don't have the earth wire going to the head unit. The head unit from factory grounds to the caging, then grounds to earth. So gotten this used Sony head unit, which has Bluetooth in it, to go in it. I know it works. I've just had to modify the harness plug here due to the accessory wire being loose and causing it to cut in and out on a different car. So gonna go through it today and get this one removed. What are we going on? Tenner, good. Fucking this is shit. Yep, this is fucking junk. So that's not how it's meant to be installed. It's meant to be installed in the side with screw brackets and everything. So tools I'm going to use: screwdriver, pair of wire crimping pliers. These, don't get these are junk. They make shit connection. Throw them out. Get yourself a set of double O's. These were my grandfather's. They've been cleaned up recently, and yeah, these crimp there, make a better connection than those ratcheting ones will ever do. So I've just pulled this out, just 2 screws, pull, unplug 2 plugs, pulled this out to have a look at it, and what I found was orange is normally illumination, black's normally earth. As my suspicion thought, aftermarket harness gives you an earth there, but doesn't have an earth there. So I'm gonna have to earth this to like over here. It's like a factory earth back there. See that? Nope, there's a factory earth there. I'll just run a wire there for the factory earth. Handbrake wire. I don't know why that head unit would need a handbrake wire, but see this connection here? Just shit. This is very shit. These connections, all they do is, because it's in a car, they'll vibrate around and they'll get loose and then they won't work. It's like very shit someone's done. Well, looks like I've got to fix all of this up. Thankfully, I'll be able to fix all this up so it doesn't have an issue. just sit my phone in a way that I can show you this. Terrible connection. Yeah, terrible connection. Just my foot. That seems to be good. Terrible connection. Terrible connection. So that's what it looks like with that ratchet and crimper. Doesn't even look like he used the ratchet and crimper. He just uses a pair of pliers by the looks of it. Just gotta graft these two harnesses together, which is simple, colour to colour. And then hopefully, because previously when it did work once for me, I only got this speaker. Hopefully I'll then get this speaker. And remember, speakers have a positive and a negative. Even though you can use it, do them the other way, black's the negative and the non-black stripe is the positive. You remember that. And you need a set of colour chart, just Google it. So what I've done here is, just use joiners. Grab. And it'll come apart. That's there for an amplifier in there. You just unplug it, run the sets of wires to the amp and run it back. Just plus I got a few less connections I had to worry about doing. Got my earth lead ready to go. Now I'm gonna tape this up to make it look pretty and also insulate it in case it rubs anything back there. On this neatly taped up, ready to go in. These connections, you just want to make sure they go in. Alright, click. Otherwise you're going to have some issues. Grab a 10mm and hook that up. I just got it sitting in the hole plugged in. Which fuse is it? .15 fuse. That's just me pushing on the fuse. So I think we got a bit of corrosion in here or something. Just wiggle on the fucking fuse. I suppose I need to have a look at that. So I've replaced that fuse in that fuse box. Let's see if that fixes it. Oh, we got an issue with the fuse box. I think we might have an issue with that fuse box. But Alright, we've got a dead speaker there. It's good to know. Okay, so yeah, gonna have to change that fuse box, but down there, so it's like a 15 amp per year. So I'm gonna have to change that fuse box. I got a spare one, but that's just gonna annoy the fuck out of you. Now, if it was anything other than the radio, maybe be fine. Has 235,000 Ks. Now I gotta look for the brackets will go here. Also, this is a non-aircon model, like not optional with aircon. So I've gotten myself a second-hand one with an aircon. Plug that in, swap that over, and hopefully get a few more components together and have working aircon in there.